and welcome back, or welcome if you are new here. Today we are going to be opening my BoxyCharm base box. What?
Your eyes are glittery.
Yeah, I've got glitter on my eyes. Base box for May 2022. Hello, if you are new here, my name is Jennifer. This is my husband, Aaron.
Season's greetings. Spring is the season.
Sure. We like to open subscription boxes, and on my channel I do a lot of makeup material, and I talk about mental health issues. May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and yeah, if you're interested in any of that, I would love it if you would hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. So let's go ahead and dive into this box.
It sounds dangerous.
Yeah.
It's not deep enough to dive in. You should go through the ladder.
Yeah, okay. I am kind of worried about this box. I've seen people open it, and
It exploded?
most people have not been too happy with this box.
Because it exploded?
Yeah, exactly, because it exploded.
It's full of spiders?
No. I watched Gloria from Southern Mama Boys open hers.
Hands came out and just grabbed him. I'm sorry, go ahead.
I watched Gloria open her box yesterday, and she had a real thin box. Mine is pretty thick, but
The thicker the better, right?
I don't know. I do remember my choice item. So I guess, okay, if you're new to BoxyCharm base box, it is $27.99 a month. You get 5 full-size items. You get to choose one of your items.
And then after you choose your item, they pick all 5 items at random and just throw them in there.
You know it is the Boxy base box because it is red on the inside. Okay.
Choose that bubble wrap.
They did bubble wrap it.
Complimentary bubble wrap.
Okay, they give you a card with all your items and a description of them.
And this one actually has the items on it.
I have
At random.
variation number 23, so
Oh.
this month's theme is super blue. And I always hand it over to Aaron.
How many
to
variations are
read
there?
the-
How do you know it's variation number 23?
Okay. It says on here. I know which number
You
is.
know the code.
Yeah.
She knows the secret code.
Okay, first up, my choice item was the item Air Hug Concealer. What a cute name. Air Hug.
When you need to course correct, what a nice way to say your face looks weird. This medium to full coverage concealer is the way to go.
Shade 10.
Honey, you need to course correct. This lightweight formula features carica papaya fruit extract to deliver a boost of yummy antioxidants. Not those foul-tasting
My shield's
antioxidants
really warm.
like other ones have. Like vitamin C, and lend a smooth, seamless finish. Its pillowy texture, was the texture pillowy? Glides on effortlessly and melts into your skin without a crease in sight.
Oh, it's really yellow to me.
Also, it will look really yellow. Wow. This is right there. MSRP $18.
I guess shade 10 was the lightest color. $18?
Addison Rae. I saw Addison Rae last week down at the Piggly Wiggly.
Addison Rae has been popping up so much lately. Okay, there is something from Yinso Dry Skin Beauty Sponge. I need a new beauty sponge.
Skin on skin beauty sponge, it says.
Used to, I was not the
I
biggest
don't like that.
skin on skin.
So it's made of skin?
I used to not be the biggest beauty sponge user, but I have been using it quite often, and I need a new one. So what does it say about it?
This skin-on-skin beauty sponge gives you a full coverage but skin-like finish. Multi-purpose and reusable with a gentle wash after a use. Gentle on skin. Gentle. $18.
$18.
Everything is $18.
I say, I complain. I get kind of like uppity about the prices, but I'm glad that I get them in boxes instead of having to pay the prices for them.
But
So
does anybody actually buy them? Or they just come in the boxes?
let me open this. It's just, I would never pay those prices for them. The prices seem so inflated.
I mean, nobody would. That's why they only sell them in the boxes.
Although I know Yinsa is a very expensive brand. Granted, I do have a beauty blender, but it was gifted to me. This feels very hard. And it's shaped weird. I don't know. What?
That's what she said. I had to. At first it wasn't too bad, but with the second I had to.
We're children here.
I'm very mature. Ask my teenage kids, they'll tell you.
Okay. So far so good. Okay, what is this? Oh, I got the Glow Recipe Plum Hyaluronic
It's got
Acid.
hyaluronic in it. You never get that.
All right. I thought this was a choice item for next month.
Which thing is this?
The Glow Recipe.
Oh, okay. Plum plump. It's plum plumped. Hyaluronic's here. This concentrated formula is your go-to serum for plump, radiant skin. This silky water gel serum features a unique blend of three types of plum. Not just one, not just two, three. Hyaluronic acid and vegan collagen. I thought collagen was like a skin protein. I don't know, and I don't want to know. The formula contains 5 weights of hyaluronic acid to target different layers of the skin for deep hydration. Well, isn't that just fascinating?
Ooh.
So some of them sink down a little ways, and then some of them are like, woo! And they go all the way down.
I'm almost out of my hyaluronic acid too. And this one isn't sticky like the stuff I use.
It's not sticky at all. That's just lovely.
The Ordinary's hyaluronic acid is very sticky. Oh wow. This box.
That's your industrial hyaluronic acid that you're thinking of. It's made for spraying on automobile undercarriages and such.
Wasn't this
Plump.
Wasn't this a choice for June's box?
Now, I know
no.
they never, ever repeat items, so that could not possibly be the case.
Okay, I've got something from Cat Beauty, a lemon.
Lemon plus lime lip oil duo.
Oh, I love lip oils.
Now with a juicy lemon and lime scent in 2 new shades, your lips will love this non-sticky.
Oh, I love these.
See, they were right. Instant burst of hydration. Swipe this formula on for comfortable, juicy lips all day long. Are you supposed to do them both at once? Like, that's a big applicator.
And they do smell like lemon and lime.
All right.
No, I bought, when these first came out, I bought a ton of them. I still have a lot of these on backup.
Well, all right. All right.
I love these things.
Oh, yeah. It says right here, you love these things.
So, yeah, I will definitely be getting use out of this.
MSRP $39. What else we got?
$39 for some lip oils.
$39 goddamn dollars.
Okay, like I said, I side-eye these prices, but I'm glad to get them in a beauty
They're basically
box.
meaningless anyway.
From Complex Culture, In the Moment, Baked Highlighter and Bronze Quad.
Go for the glow with this creamy blendable foursome infused with skin-loving ingredients. Buildable formulas are baked to perfection to intensify pigment for vibrant color that lasts. Enjoy the dewy effects of a liquid and the convenience of the powder for a healthy dose of glow. Yeah! Healthy glow! New launch. MSRP $32.
Those highlighters.
$42.
Those highlighters look the same.
They all look the same. It's awesome.
This is very nice. I will say that, but I have so many highlighters and bronzers. I think I would put this into...
Do you have them in a quad? Do you have the dewy effect of a liquid and the convenience of a powder?
I think I would put this into a giveaway. But I will say this is a very awesome box. Let me just put this back in its box.
I won't say it.
What are you going to say?
There's no particular reason. I'm just being contrary.
What?
I'm just not going to say it.
Say what?
That it's an awesome box.
I thought you were going to be contrary.
No, I'm just not going to say it. You can't make me say it.
Say it.
No. It's an awesome box.
Okay. Hopefully, this will work out for me. Because I have been using concealer more to hide my oil zits because my face has been breaking out like crazy lately. I don't know. I think I'm using something wrong in my skincare routine.
You're either using too little hyaluronic acid or too much.
Something.
Or the wrong weight.
I think it is my night moisturizer. I'm not sure. I introduced a new nighttime moisturizer, and I think
causing trouble.
I think it's not jiving with my skin. Okay, in this box, I got the item Air Hug Concealer. Can you add all these up?
I can.
You got your phone?
I bet I can add them in my head.
Okay. All right, genius. I got the Air Hug Concealer Corrector. I got some bubble wrap. I got the Cap Lemon and Lime Lip Oil Duo. I got the Glow Recipe Plum Plump Hyaluronic Acid, which I'm very excited about. I got the Yensa Skin on Skin Beauty Sponge. And I got the Complex Culture in the Moment Baked Highlight and Bronze Quad.
Grand total of $159 MSRP.
Okay, I think they promise you around that much in value for your box. They used to say 125, but I think they bumped it up some since their prices started going up. But let's see. There's 1, 2, 3. I guess you could count this as a makeup item. So there's like 4 makeup items in here and only 1 skincare item. So I would actually give this, I don't know, since I'm not keeping this, but I think this is a really good item. I would actually give this a 5 out of 5 box.
Wow.
Yeah.
Did you hear that, BoxyCharm? Well done. Well done.
So, I was ready to hate this box. So, yeah,
Well, you're going to be okay. That hate's not like building up somewhere and turn you to the dark side or anything.
So, yeah, they knew I was wanting a new sponge. So, because mine's getting pretty nasty. So, we will have to see if I like this sponge or not. Like I said, I'm not going to say it again because he's going to say the thing. Okay. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought. Let us know what you got in your BoxyCharm, if you get BoxyCharm. I Boxy Twins. And, yeah. I would love to know everything because I am nosy. And give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it and enjoyed it. And yeah, we hope you are having a wonderful, fantastic day out there today. And if you are not, we hope something comes along and sparks your day so that you can have a wonderful, fantastic day. If you are having an especially hard time, know that we are thinking about you and sending you out those good vibes. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe out there. And we will see you in another video tomorrow. And okay, just stay well until then. Okay, goodbye.